Thank you, Carl. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for inviting us and giving a precious opportunity for delivering our presentations. And let me introduce myself. I am FUJII from Kansai Electric Power, and I am in charge of business development for on-site business abroad, and we especially Southeast Asia. And unfortunately, so our company does not develop the project in Africa region currently. But it is really appreciated that my presentation contributes to participants' better understanding for JCM model projects. Okay, let me start. Today, I want to explain about the example of the JCM financing program for or in Thailand. In this project, we Kansai Electric Group implemented gas cogeneration system, including natural gas-fired engine, generator, exhaust gas boiler, and absorption chiller. Okay. And firstly, so I'd like to introduce my company. Yeah, our company name is the Kansai Electric Power Company Incorporated, shortly KEPCO. And our company is located on the Osaka area in Japan. And we have a long history, and the establishment date is almost 72 years ago. And KEPCO is a traditional electric power company. It means KEPCO has a variety of big power plants, including the thermal power plants, hydropower plants, nuclear power plants, and also renewable energy power plants. Aside from that, recently KEPCO focuses on on-site business, such as cogeneration, rooftop solar, chiller, boiler, battery, and something else. KEPCO's principle is like this. So serving and shaping the vital platform for sustainable society. So today's project is also the one which follows KEPCO's policy. Let me explain the detail later. And the next page, I would like to explain about our activities in Thailand. The Kansai Energy Solution Thailand, which is the 100% owned subsidiary of KEPCO in Thailand. And this company provides the majorly two businesses in this country. The first one is the energy saving consulting service. So for the energy consulting service, we usually conduct a site survey for the energy audit and find out the problems of the energy saving, and we report it and discuss about the issue with customer and find the solutions. The second business is, sorry, one moment, please. Wait a moment, please. Okay. The second project is the on-site service. So this service is our company have the facilities in customers' premises, like cogeneration, chiller, and or solar panel. And today, so I would like to explain about cogeneration systems. Okay. For the moment, please. For the first chapter, I explained about our company. And the second chapter, I would like to explain the general GHG reduction measures. So when we think about the GHG reduction, so we think these three approaches are very important for GHG reduction. The first one is renewable energy generation. The second one is energy saving. The third one is offset by renewable energy certificate. The left graph shows about the images of the power consumption before the countermeasures of the GHG reduction. And the right one is the images of after countermeasures of the GHG reduction. Could you see the right one? So firstly, so it is really recommended that you will install some kind of the renewable energy power plant like a solar. It is really easy, and every factory can introduce. So it is really meaningful. But aside from that, the solar panel is only generated the power only during the daytime. So that is why not only renewable energy, but also the energy saving approaches is also needed. Because currently a lot of countries have the target to achieve the carbon neutral, and also the factory also have the target to achieve the carbon neutral and have some milestone. For example, until 2025, they would like to reduce the CO2 50% or something. But only solar can only reduce 10% or 20% of the total energy. So it means another approach is really needed, including the energy saving. And the offset is the renewable energy certificate or carbon credit. And actually, so in general, the international carbon credit, international renewable energy certificate, IREC, is popular in some countries. But anyway, so we think the combination of the three approaches are really important to achieve the carbon neutral. And today, I would like to explain about the energy saving. Actually, so we think that there are two methods of the energy saving. The first one is the energy saving without investment. I mean, the operation improvement. The second one is the energy saving with investment. I think it means introducing high efficient facilities. For the operation improvement, so I think the first measures are leakage check. For example, so if there are some leakage from the steam or compressed air or hot sources, so there are a loss of the energy. And if you can find the leakage of the steam trap or compressed air pipe or insulation, so it is really helpful to save the energy. And the second one is the adjusting the parameters. This is an example of the compressed air. And if the compressed air setting is the high, it consumes the energy so much. But if you can reduce the pressure or temperature, so it can reduce the energy so easily. So that is one of the approach of the energy saving. But the second one is introducing the high efficiency facilities. So, and this day, so we can use the JCM financing program. And today, so I would like to explain about the cogeneration, but not only cogeneration, but also a lot of type of various of the facilities can be adopted for this JCM subsidy, like a chiller and boiler or a heat pump. Also, the inverters for the pumps or fans is also promising ways to approach the energy saving. Okay, then secondly, I would like to explain about the cogeneration. So cogeneration is the gas engines and some auxiliary units, and this facility input is the natural gas, and it can generate electricity. But aside from electricity, we can use the exhaust gas for the steam and chilled water. So usually when we use only for electricity, the generation efficiency is only 40%. But if we use the electricity, steam, and chilled water, the total efficiency get to be 80%. It is very high efficiency, and it can reduce the CO2 so much. So the advantages of the cogeneration system is the high total efficiency I explained. And the second one is the contribution for power stability for the factory. I mean, this is a gas engine, and it can operate during the blackout. And some areas, so the grid power is not stable. But if you use this kind of the cogeneration, you can get the merit of the power stability. But there are some attention points about the cogeneration. The cogeneration system needs stable fuel source, like natural gas, LPG, or biomass fuels. So that is one of the most important things for the cogeneration. And secondly, the balance of the electricity and the heat is very important. As I mentioned on the previous page, if customer only use the electricity, the generation efficiency is around 40%. It cannot reduce the CO2. So that's why. So we think the factory uses the steam so much. It is really suitable for cogeneration. I think the industry company like fiber, rubber, chemical, or food industry is really good. But if customer does not have the heat demand, the cogeneration cannot save GHG and cannot save energy cost. That is the attention point. Okay. And finally, so I would like to explain about our project in Thailand. So we introduced the gas engine generator. The capacity is a 5 megawatt multiple 2 units, and the gas boiler is around totally 5 ton per hour, and absorption chiller is around 800 USRT. And the total efficiency is 80%, and the expected GHG emission reduction is 16,000 ton CO2 per year. It is really big number. And let me explain about the structure of the JCM model project. So as Takahashi-san from JEC already explained, that if you would like to apply this JCM model, so we have to make the international consortium. And in our project, the representative participants from Japan is our Japanese company, and the local partner is the 100% owned subsidiary in Thailand, our company. And we two company cooperate and offer the long-term energy supply contract to customer. And it means so we will install the facilities, and we will design and procure and construct and operation and maintenance, and we generate the electricity, steam, and chilled water, and sell to customer. That is our structure model. Okay, the summary. Firstly, I think if we would like to achieve the carbon neutral or carbon neutral milestone, the combination of these three approaches are very important. First one is renewable energy, and the second one is energy saving. The third one is offset by a renewable energy certificate. And the second point is one of the promising energy saving measures is the introduction of the cogeneration. So if the customer use the heat and electricity, both of the heat and the electricity, it is really good for cogeneration. And the third one is the financing program for JCM model. It's really recommended to make the project feasible. So because this JCM model subsidized is really good for the investment. Yeah, that is all from me. Thank you.